Hey folks, today's Devops SRE coding interview question is write a Golang program that will read a file called foo.log from the local directory. Well, it's not here. Anyway, it will read a file from the local directory and then spit out. Basically, it's the cat command implemented in Golang. So that's what you're supposed to write. So it's kind of it's a really easy, simple one. But as I'm going through this process of doing coding interview questions, I'm just going to go slowly and slowly until it becomes more and more complicated. Okay, so any Golang program starts with package main. So we have that. And in terms of importing packages, I know we're going to need os to open the file, and we probably need io to read the content, and of course we always need format. So format, I don't know why it needs a double quote. It's really silly. Format, os, and io. Okay, now we go into the main function. No input is going to come in. First thing we're going to do is open the file. So open the file. For that, we will need OS library or OS package. So let's give it a name. Let's just call it F. And that's pretty common to use F as the pointer to the file. F equals os dot open, I think capital. Yeah, capital. Is it open or open file? Maybe open file. And we're going to say foo.log. Let's make sure that that file exists here. Why didn't it find it earlier? Oh, because I didn't do. So here's the foo.log file. So open that file. And this is complaining because not used. That's fine. Let's see. Func. Oh, I know. No, actually that's later. Func complaining about assignment mismatch. Oh, I know. So we have to give it. We have to capture the error that comes out if there is an error. We will do that. Then, as always, we're going to catch the error. If error not equal to nil, then print the error. Okay. Normally you would panic and exit the program, but I'm not going to bother with that. But anyway, we caught the error. File is now open, right? So just to make our life easier, I'm going to close the file before doing anything with it, just so I know that that part is working. But why is this complaining? Missing comma before new line, comma. Missing comma before new line in argument list. No, just print the error. If error equals not nil. That's interesting. So, okay, let's do example of fmt print. Example fmt print ln Golang. What am I missing here? Da 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 da. Why is it giving such complex examples? fmt print ln, variable name, and close parentheses. So that's what I think I have. That's so weird. Okay, fine. I'll deal with that later. Okay, so we have that. Now let's close the file. Before we close, we have to defer to close the file. So defer. What that means is that close everything, as far as I can understand. That way we don't. So we do F. F is the pointer to the file. Close happens to be capital case. Okay, so command save that. I'm still really bugged by this. So let's run the command, run the program. See what happens. Yep, doesn't like it. Unexpected new line in argument list, possibly missing comma or that. I have the two parentheses. All right. If this is supposed to be curly brackets? Ah, I think that's it. Let's save that. Command S. Now it doesn't like defer. Defer. Expected declaration found defer syntax. Defer f.Close. Okay, let's look that up. Defer file close Golang. Let's see. Anything here? Yeah, this page is not very useful. I've looked at it before, so I'm not going to bother with that. Let's see. String defer and go. DigitalOcean. What is the format for defer? Defer something dot something. All right, let's see what I did wrong. Defer. Expected declaration found. Defer syntax. Oh, wait a minute. This is hang around here. Why is it doing that? Let's look at if then else syntax. If then else in Golang. Okay. If else, yeah, parentheses. Okay. I mean, not parentheses, curly brackets. So I don't need that guy. So there you go. That's better. Command S. So I had an extra curly bracket. Let's run that. Complain undefined foo. Foo. Or maybe it has to be double quote. I'm doing this intentionally because I'm learning with you guys, so that we both learn to troubleshoot these things. Okay, at least that word went away. Not enough arguments called with open file. Okay, let's look that up. os.Open file. os.Open file. Golang. Okay. Function mn command f open file. Okay. Example. That's pretty complicated examples. Let's go back here. That wasn't very useful. So create. No, we're not creating files. We're opening files. That's a good one. Filed, comma, error, os.Open. I think I have that. All right, let's see. f.error, os.Open file. Oh, here. Not enough arguments called. Have string. Want string int fs file mode. Want string integer fs file mode. Use open file. Is there open? Maybe this is the wrong one. Let's try this again. os.Open. Let's try that. Open file. Open named file. Okay. foo.log. Hopefully I was just using the wrong method. from that package. Now it likes it. Okay, so let's run this. What happens? There you go. So that worked. So now we open the file, we close the file, we did nothing with it. So now what we're going to do is we're going to say, um, content, let's say content error. Basically now this f is basically a string, not string, a stream. So we have to capture the content into something. So we're going to say this equals, this is where we're going to use the io package, io.ReadAll. Because the question asks for all of the file, it made our life easier because we don't have to read any bytes or lines or read what's in it. We can just simply use this function that is already defined, read the whole thing, right? So now f is the file name. Yep, it's complaining because content is defined but not used. That's fine. What we're going to do now is we're going to print the content, and what you'll see is something interesting. So fmt.println, or yeah, println is fine. We're going to say content, and you will see something interesting. So are there any problems with the code? No. So let's save that. What you will see is a bunch of numbers because this is a stream. These are the bytes that came in. We have to convert that into string, and then it will work. So that stream of bytes will then be converted into a string. And now if we run it, there it is. There's the catting of the file using Golang. I hope you found this useful. I hope you found the troubleshooting not too boring, and I will see you in the next video.